Alright, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's edition, we are going to talk about WCoin. WCoin is a project that has been mined over a year now, and many receive the airdrop and many do not qualify for the airdrop. So now, as for me, I did not qualify for the airdrop. As you can see, you can check on this box here and you'll see my total balance of WCoin, which I do not, they have locked it up due to I did not perform some tasks. This is my activity during the process of WCoin. So, and let's say claim close, airdrop calculation started. So, automatically I did not receive any airdrop from this particular site, but there is an information that for those who do not receive the WCoin, they can participate on WAI and they will receive WAI. But there is nothing like qualification criteria or eligibility criteria for you to receive this WAI. In as much as you participate, you will receive the WAI. So, but there are some things you need to understand, that this particular WAI is not by typing, it's not by typing just like WCoin, but it's by performing tasks. Once you click on the task, if you perform all these tasks, then you'll be able to receive the WAI. So as you can see, if you click on this first one, you receive 50 WAI. If you click on this, you receive 100. So just perform all the tasks and you receive WAI. And now let me take you to where the official Telegram page, where you can understand what they said. But before then, let me check on this YouTube channel. Here is where you can watch video. After you watch video, you earn 30 WAI. Here, this is another task. This is activity. So anyone that you wish to participate, just participate on it and you earn WAI. It will accumulate in this place. So now let's head straight to W for the information where they state it categorically. So let's head there. So here is the official community of Telegram. So as you can see, it's been stated here, it's been written here. They said the page is opening and a drop is coming for everyone. So move ahead and said, and that is not all. We are not just doing a TGE, we are doing 2GE. Yes, you read that right, double TGE. That means it's the time that they were going to release this WAI. That is when they were going to list WCoin as well. Remember that WCoin is not yet listed. So they're going to do double TGE, which once they list this WAI, they will list WCoin as well. So move ahead and said, no one ever tired. This, but we are not like the others. Call it bold, call it crazy, we just call it W. So anything you like, you can call it, but as for them, they focus on what they call their project. And move ahead and said, hold on, this is about to be absolute sense. So, and another one, they said, WAI is live for task. You had it right. Meet from now on. Stake give you, task give you WAI. Your activity just became powerful again. Many of you missed the WCoin drop, but this time we are making sure everyone gets a chance with WAI. This is your moment to act. Another one, I said, don't get it twisted. WCoin and WAI drop are completely separate. Two different currency, two different joining. Farm WAI now when others sleep. Big things are coming, more information soon. So that is what they said. This is information from the official Telegram page. So I think you understand what I said. So just make sure you perform all the tasks over here. Once you perform all the tasks, then definitely you stand a chance to gain this particular WAI. And also make sure you connect your wallet, connect your Tom wallet. Let's and connect your Tom wallet in this way. Just connect your Tom wallet. Just hold on. So once it is like this, you just click on connect, so it has automatically connected. So just connect your Tom wallet. So just do so and keep participating in this WAI program. So I think this is end of this particular information. Do well to subscribe if this is your first time of coming across this particular channel. Subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that each time we upgrade information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So have a nice day and be blessed.